What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. On today's video, we're going to be discussing the top 5 visual mods that you should get for your WRX or STI so it doesn't look too stock. Now, before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon so you don't miss out on future content. I did just order the front mount intercooler flex fuel kit, so videos are going to be coming out and you're not going to want to miss it. Also, I hear every time you hit the bell icon, a little angel gets its wings. Or a WRX might get its wings too. So number 1 on the list is going to be your wheel setup. So wheels are one of the things that really pop out on the car, and getting new wheels really gives you an opportunity to make your car unique. There's so many different wheels out there that you can really stand out if you want to. Getting wheels also helps that wheel gap that they tend to come with stock. Surprisingly, I know a lot of people think I'm on springs or coils, but I'm actually on stock height. I do plan on getting coils soon, but right now it looks pretty good. Probably about 2.5 fingers in the front. In the back here, I'm about 2 fingers. Now, wheels could get a little pricey. I decided to get new wheels when I needed new tires. That way I could just get the whole thing at once. Now, like I said earlier, this really gives you an opportunity to be unique. You can go for that slammed look, the cambered look. You can have your wheels and tires stick out, have that rally look. So there's so many different ways to go with it, and this is your opportunity to shine and be unique. Also, you can get some lighter wheels, which will help with performance. Since lighter wheels are a rotational mass, you're really gonna save a lot on weight, helping you in the performance department. Next on the list, I would say the whole lip, from the front lip, the side skirts, and the rear aprons, I believe they're called. It really makes your car look lowered. Like I said, I'm on stock height, and this makes the front look a lot more aggressive because it looks a bit lower. And I like how that black outline really goes all around the car with the side skirt and the rear aprons. These are cheap. I got them off of eBay, so they're not the STI brand or anything, but they'll do. It is fading a bit. I need to get these painted. Never got them painted. They're starting to fade, so I'll probably be doing that soon. So number 3 on the list for me would be the tints. Now, you can get some dark tints like I have here, or you can go with that fishbowl look. But even if you go with the fishbowl look, I still recommend getting some tints, because you really don't want those UV rays getting in the car, damaging your interior. It also makes the car hot inside, so I just like the way tints make it look. You can tell it's modified just by those tints and those wheels and the side skirts, so it starts making it look aggressive. Number 4 on the list, I would say the wrap slash vinyl. A little mixture of both. They're not that expensive. I got them off Premium Autostyling. I got the front bumper wrap right here. As you can see, it's black. The same with the blacked out emblem I have there. I was debating on getting the white stars, but I felt like the white stars would pop out too much, and I really just wanted it to blend in. One thing about the roof wrap, I feel like it makes the car look shorter, because if it was white, it would kind of pop out there. It just makes it look taller, so being black gives it that sleek look. It makes it look lower. So the front lip and that combined just makes the car look a lot sleeker. Also with all that, these little side badges right here, which are just on there with 3M. And I would even say the spoiler wrap right here. Oh, forgot this emblem too. Oh, also one of the most important ones that used to bother me so much is this amber delete right here. So it's just a wrap on there. And as you can see, you don't see that orange marker on the side, which used to bother me so much. Once again, Premium Autostyling is where I got all the wrap. I think I got the emblems off Subispeed, Rays, the wheels off Import Image Racing, and the tints were done by a local company. Now, number 5 on the list is going to be the Subispeed fog light bezels. Now, these bezels make the car look so much more aggressive at night. I love the way the LED strip lights up. The stock one are just like this matte black plastic piece, but the gloss on this makes it look really nice. And I also have the blacked out blinker down there too. Now, I would say you can get away without getting those. I mean, the front looks aggressive with all the other things. That would just be a plus if you want to make the front more aggressive. But a little bonus one, I would say, if you're happy with the front being aggressive, I would say in the rear, go ahead and get that exhaust. The exhaust tips, I mean, at least to me, I love the Invidia R400 just because they're 4-inch tips. A lot of people like to get the 3 or 3.5. I just like the 4-inch tips because it really fills in that gap. Whatever exhaust you go with though, it's really gonna make it look more aggressive back here. The stock ones seem to be just too small in my opinion. But if you go with the single exit or the dual single exhaust or even these quad tips, it'll make the rear look a lot more aggressive. Well guys, that sums up my top 5. If you agree or disagree, leave them in the comments down below. I would really love to hear from you guys. Also, a quick shout out to WRX Experts for keeping my car reliable and running great. Also, shout out Nippon Power and Torque Solutions for the parts. You guys are the real MVP. And we can't forget our tuner, Mikey Body. Shout out to you. As always guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and see you guys on the next one. Coronavirus, so elbow, I guess.